I gotta get a new blankie for back here, don't you think? I've been using the same one for forever. I want a cute Halloween one. Just wanted to get some of these bubbles out. It's like, do you feel weird with Star Sand when there's like a bajillion bubbles on your stuff? Because I do, and I don't know why. It's like this soapy feeling, you know? Like I don't want soap in my Mead. It's that type of feeling. I know it's not soap, and I know it's like safe and whatever. I just don't like all the bubbles. I just don't like them. Right, so I want to try this because I haven't done that yet. I mean, who knows? Maybe we want oak longer, but maybe not. I think I can leave these longer. Yeah, there's not much of an oak presence, to be honest. I'm not racking this yet. I want more oak. There's not enough in there. We're just gonna continue on from here. All right, see you soon. Here we are, we're back with the strawberry muscadine oak. Let's see. I just need to taste it. And I've got my homebrew Ohio burgundy glass. Burgundy glass. Killer deal. This was like $8.99, I think. It's got the cute homebrew Ohio logo on it. This glass is massive. I wasn't expecting it to be so big. So I'm like, It makes music too. There's more oak, but it's still, maybe it's because I actually soaked them in water that they're a little bit more chill. There isn't like a full oakiness coming through yet, even still. I think I'm just gonna let them sit even longer. So I let it sit for 6 days, 6 days extra. So it's been a total of 13 days. Did I count that right? I probably didn't. Well, it needs longer. It just needs longer. I don't know. I don't know what the hell. Are my oak chips bad? I don't think so. The bag wasn't open for like that long. All right, see you. All right, folks, it's time, finally. Tasted this last night. Tasted pretty good. But I will taste it again just to give you more of a feel. It has been 3 weeks. 3 weeks. And this thing I feel like is like oaked just enough. And I hope that the flavor holds because it's still like kind of light. So what I'm going to do here is I'm basically just going to rack into this large one, and then I'm going to rack back into the small one because it fits perfectly. Got it. All right, so I'm gonna do a little taste tester here for you. All right. Strawberry muscadine. It smells so pleasant. Let me tell you. I think now it has just enough oak. It is still light. And it's like, right now it just kind of like mingles with the other flavors. It does add sort of a vanillin at the end. I mean, it sat in there for 3 weeks. It's crazy. I know it's kind of a big thing with the chips that they can impart flavor really quickly. All right, well, I'm gonna end this here. And then the next time you see me, we're going to be racking in a couple seconds your time. The day has come. It is finally time to bottle the strawberry muscadine meads. I'm first going to rack off the vanilla bean and bottle that, and then we will bottle the muscadine with just the oak edition. This mead's kind of hard to see through. I'm like, is it ready to bottle? Should I cold crash it? Like, I don't know why it's not clear. It's been sitting for 2 months, so I'm like, yeah, I mean, you can't see through it at all. I hope it didn't like start fermenting again or something. Maybe I should try it. It's honestly worrisome. Although no, because there's like no pressure. Let me try it though. Because now I feel a little nervous. Like, Oh no, that's still sweet. I think I might cold crash this. Well, I probably won't rack this one then. I'm just gonna throw these in the fridge for a while and see if things fall out of space. All right, just kidding, LOL. We'll see you again here in a minute. Hello everyone, we're back and we are bottling for realsies this time. So I cold crashed for a few days. As you can see, there's a pretty decent layer at the bottom of both of these, which sucks because that just means that I lose more wine. More product is gone and I don't like that, but what are you gonna do? I'm gonna start by racking into a bucket one by one, obviously, because each of these are a little bit different, and then I will taste them, you know, all that stuff. All the stuff. I'm just gonna rack into my lap. Here's the Muscadine with oak. I guess I'll do this little guy first. God, this is difficult. There's such a thick layer of floaty stuff. I don't know what to do. I mean, look at it. That's a lot. I'm probably only gonna need like 2 or 3 of these. Maybe this bottle will be a combination bottle. Okay, so I have to remember, I'm gonna set these over here by the oak. Okay, those are all oak meads. This is the oak tasting. This is gonna become a blend. Because why not? Well, that's got a good layer of schmutzy to it too. You see that? Yep. Okay. Okay, I need to prepare some more bottles. Whew, all right. Got 6 bottles. Number 7's right there. All right. Ready, Freddy. Well, I ran out of space. I have just like the tiniest bit. Okay, here's the blend. I guess I'll just put it in my glass. I ain't complaining. Well, I have a little bit more to drink than I thought I would. That always happens though, doesn't it? Don't you all end up drinking a little bit more than you thought you would? All right. Ooh, I'm excited to try them. So I got 5 with the vanilla, 3 with the oak, a blend. Okay. All right. Oh my god. Okay, let's try the oak. Actually, I guess I should like smell them first. The muscadine smells really good with the strawberry. The vanilla definitely smells softer. You can smell the oak, so it has a much stronger scent than the vanilla, and you can kind of smell like a sweet note on it. Ooh. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. That's good. Okay. It has a nice, like, lasting kind of a sort of a cacao chocolate-ish note at the end. I believe I used French oak. It's very nice. And it's not overpowering at all. It plays really well with the muscadine. And the strawberry has settled in really well with the grape. It's not like strawberry. Ooh. That vanilla is strong. They're both smoothed out in 2 different ways. Because the vanilla gives a lighter, sort of sweeter finish and it lasts. Whereas the oak gives more of a chocolate type feel in that, like, a little bit of that woodiness. I don't know which one's my favorite. Let's see what they're like together. Very pleasant together. All of the flavors just mingle and play with each other really well. The oak kind of helps calm down the vanilla. I mean, it's really good together. I feel like I do like the oak more out of the 2 if I had to separate them, but together they're very nice. I don't know. I mean, I like the vanilla too. It's just, it's a different experience from oak. Vanilla is really good though. It gives a creaminess. This came out surprisingly well. It had a very very rough start because I accidentally fermented strawberries and I was very mad at myself. Yeah, and the strawberries chilled out a lot. This is not like a strawberry punch mead. And they both ended at about 1.020, which I think is a great level because it's not like sweet, but it's also not dry. You know, I feel like it's that nice, it has a nice like kind of semi-sweet juiciness to it. How strong is this mead? 12%. Very nice. It does not taste like you don't get the alcohol burn at all. It's very smooth and easy to drink. I have to like put labels on these now. And by labels, I mean write on a little piece of paper and tape it to the bottle. Well, all right. That was strawberry muscadine and elderflower. I always forget I had elderflowers in this. I think they got fermented. I mean, it's there. I'm sure someone who has more of an elderflower, like can pull elderflower, be able to taste it. I think it might be part of the flavor I'm pulling as like muscadine. Might also be elderflower because I did put a decent amount in, and even though they got fermented, it doesn't mean that they'll be lost entirely. So there is elderflower in this as well. All of the flavors play very nicely together. I had green and red muscadine grapes, and I bought them at Aldi, which is like a discount grocery place. Just happened to see them. They were on super sale. It was like $1.40 or $1.20 or something for a container. I think I had 6 of them. I mean, that's cheap for grapes, like really, really cheap. And they were in my freezer for like a year, and it still came out really good. So I actually highly recommend it. Muscadine, it did not smell or taste great in the beginning, but as many things we ferment with, they just take a little bit of time, evolve, and get good. It takes time to get good. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I will leave all of my recipe notes and ingredients and stuff that I did down below. I don't really know how I would improve on this. Maybe not ferment strawberry at all, for one thing, and just add it all in a secondary to preserve more of that true strawberryness. Otherwise, it takes much longer to age out, and it gives it kind of a jammy flavor. So I'm interested to know in the future how this evolves more, and if I do pull more of a strawberry jam note on top of grape. And yeah. Wow, this is good. I'm enjoying this. Pleasantly surprised. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Mwah. Bye.